Keep it coming slow. Watch your mirror on the right. And stop. Set the brake.
Keep them moving to the left chute. Copy that. Chute 4 is clear.
Check the spacing on these last 3. Yeah. Looks correct on the monitor. We are good to go.
Respiration is steady at 20. Scan sequence initiated.
Acknowledged. Recording diagnostics.
Temperature is 101.5. Body condition score is a 7. Noted. All parameters are within range.
Check the serial number against the manifest.
Confirmed.
Confirmed. It matches the digital record. Clearance confirmed. Vitals are optimal. You can proceed to Section 3.
Understood. Moving her now.
Section 3 is fully replenished. Moving to Section 4 now.
Everything is running smoothly here.
Confirmed. The automated supply is working perfectly.
Everything looks good on the main panel. How are the local readings? Optimal. The cows are responding well to the new station.
Ensure the flank area is thoroughly cleaned.
Understood. It is done. Check the spot on the hip, please. Rinsing now. All right, verified clean.
Looks good. Moisture levels are optimal.
Verified. We are clear for release. We finished unloading the shipment. The grain looks perfect on these. Let's process them immediately.
Thickness is consistent across the center.
Recording 1.8 millimeters.
The moisture reading on the south end is still low. I'm compensating now. We should see stabilization within the minute.
Are these pleats correct according to the CAD file? Let me see. Yes, they look perfect now.
A little to the left. Yeah. Okay, hold it there. The pattern just shifted again.
The alignment is spot on, very smooth.
Thank you, sir. It should last forever. Soft interior lining materials are prepared in a separate section. Workers cut and organize lining components.
see how the embroidery aligns perfectly with the seam. That's the standard. Yeah. It's beautiful work. The weight is excellent too.
The texture on this leather is simply unmatched.
Truly a masterpiece from the team.